Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how you can set up Siri in your iPhone 16 Plus smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, then click on Siri. Here it is, talk to Siri. You have to enable it, and you can see friends, it is now enabled. And if you want to set up Siri, then you have to first click on this, select it and click on setup. Hey Siri, you have to say what is written on there. Hey Siri, how's the weather? How's the weather? Hey Siri, see, okay, then try again. Hey Siri, how's the weather? And friends, you can see again you have to, hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Hey Siri, play some music. Friends, you can see Siri is ready. iPhone can listen for Hey Siri at the beginning of requests. And you can see friends, and Siri is now enabled. You can see, and this is how you can set up. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.